The one thing that drives me absolutely mad about real estate investors who just suffer from analysis paralysis. I mean, they read every single book there is to read on real estate. They listen to every single podcast. They follow every guru and they attend every boot camp. And after years and years of building this knowledge and all of this whatever in their brain, they do nothing. Why? Because they're stuck in the analysis paralysis mode, and it happens every time that not 1 or 2 or 3 years go along. It's 10 years, and these people are stuck because they are so confused with all the information they consumed. Oh my God, that pisses me off. Is that you? I feel you. The truth is, that was once me. I attended every boot camp there was to attend. I attended every seminar. I read every book. I followed every podcast for the longest time. And the reality is, I was in my own way. Why? I kept thinking about every single thing that I had learned, and it was so much, I got confused, and a confused mind does nothing. So what I had to do for myself is I had to say, Mercedes, stop thinking. Stop overthinking. Thanks for sharing. I just had to take the first step. And I will say from personal experience, that first step, it's the hardest one to take. We often say, travel as far as you can see, because when you get there, you'll see further. And I promise you, if you take the first step, the second one, it's not so scary. Comment below, what's your next step? And if you're stuck and need help getting unstuck, reach out and let's see if we're a good fit.